Hey everyone, it's Lindsay from My Crafty Plans, and today I'm going to be planning July monthly in my B6. I will be using this kit from Scribble Prints Co. This is my first time working with this format, obviously. It's not formatted for the inserts that I use at all, but I do think I really can make it work, and I grabbed an assortment of Simply Gilded washi as well, and I am going to go ahead and jump in. So I'm going to get started by putting down this sort of like sidebar thing. I think this is supposed to run along the bottom of something. It's just like very decorative, but I think it looks really nice, and there's just like a small thing that says July, so I will figure out where to put that in, and then after that I put down these date dots from Inky and the Brain that I have left over from a kit. The Scribble Prints Co. kit did not come with date dots, but I have plenty of extras, so that's not a big deal for me. And I thought this pink looked nice with the kit. So I really like these inserts because they're undated and they're really easy to use, and the paper is really thick. But this paper, like even with undo, it's hard to pull stickers up. I mean, it's just like really easy to destroy. I actually ended up like destroying a sheet at the beginning of this and just ended up having to clip two together because it like could not be saved. Anyway, then there were some extra days that were not in the month, so I put a full box over the one on the left hand side, and then on the right hand side I decided I was going to make like a washi flag banner, and as well put that thing that says, this little tiny strip that says July. So I know it's July. I do wish it was a little bit bigger, but that's honestly, other than that, like I really like how this kit was formatted as far as using this sheet. I don't know, Andrea recently said in the Facebook group she doesn't know if she's going to keep making them or not, but if she did, I would definitely buy, if she does, I would definitely buy like another kit again, if I like the art, because I do think that this format was actually fairly functional. You just kind of have to figure out where you're going to put the month name. So then this is the Preppy Pink Bows from Simply Gilded, so I just decided to put that down, and then I'm actually going to use a little bit of washi from the kit as well on the bottom, and I'm using the mint green candy bows all the way across the bottom, since there was just a teensy tiny bit of space, leaving that in. This is actually like a pretty big month, or busy month for us. We're actually going to be away for most of the month, so I'm not going to mark like when we're on vacation, just because it's like would be the entire month, but I am going to mark like sub events happening over vacation. We're going to my parents' beach house for the summer, and just kind of like living there, or at least me and the kids are. My husband might have to go back and forth for work, etc. But anyway, so we have visitors coming and different family and stuff. So that stuff I'm going to mark with like using washi, but we're only, staying at home for like a week of July. So it would be silly for me to mark the whole vacation out, especially just given like how small the B6 is compared to an Erin Condren, so you just don't have as much space. But anyway, I will mark down my flight, etc. So before that, we do have like a couple of things going on this month at home to take care of. My son has his 4-month doctor's appointment, which we're just doing a little bit early so that it's not while we're away. And then as well, I have a wax appointment before we go to the beach, and then we are flying out on the 9th, so we got to get everything ready for like the house sitter and various etc stuff. We do just use like someone to keep an eye on the house, etc. Plus we have really great neighbors while we're gone, just because we're going to be gone for so long. Gotta keep it all together, and I can't even imagine how much mail is going to pile up. I have been trying not to order things, but somebody needs to check the mail or it's going to be a disaster. Anyway, so we're flying into Philadelphia, and we're spending a couple days there to visit some relatives, etc. And then on Thursday we'll actually drive to the beach. So that's why I put that little car over that strip of washi. So then right away, my childhood best friend and her family are coming up, and they're staying with us at the beach Monday through Wednesday. So I'm really excited about that. She also has 2 little kids, and it's so fun to watch the kids play together. And it's just going to be a fun little vacation within a vacation. So I'm really excited about that. So I used the washi to mark that, and then a box. And then that weekend is a girls' weekend. So my best friends from high school are all coming up. I'm still really close with a lot of my friends from high school, and one of my best friends from high school, her parents have a beach house at the same town that my parents do. So my friends can like stay with them because none of them have any kids yet, although one of my friends is pregnant, so this will be the last summer I can say that. Anyway, so they're staying with my friend, and we can just do fun things and hang out and all that stuff. So I'm really, really excited about that. That's the best part about going back for the summer and getting to see everyone and just like hang out and relax at the beach. It's such an amazing lifestyle. I'm all about it. I'm so excited. Anyway, then on the 23rd, it's my daughter's first day of camp. She's going to camp while we're there 3 days a week, half days. I'm like so excited. This is her first school experience. She will be starting real school in the fall, or quote unquote real school, preschool. But anyway, just really excited about that. So she's going to be doing 3 half days at like a little camp that's at the beach. Then that weekend, my cousins are coming in. So a bunch of cousins, or a family of cousins, are coming in, and they have little kids as well too. So that should be fun. And they are staying for like kind of a while, and we'll just like hang out and do family stuff and let the kids play and go to the beach, etc. So that should be really fun as well. So just marking that in the same way I did the other ones with the skinny bows. I am obsessed with the skinny bows, especially in the B6. So perfect. Anyway, then the 4th is 4th of July, obviously, and I decided that I wanted to put a full box down and to layer that with a foil sticker. So I had to grab the undo because like literally you cannot even pull a date dot off these inserts without damaging the paper. So anyway, so I put down another full box for the kit. Then I put the date dot back on top of that because I like to have all of the date dots on. And then that sticker is actually from the Me and My Big Ideas, one of those sticker books, the Happy Planner sticker books. So that is, and then I grabbed a camp foil word from Station Stickers, and I just decided I needed a little bit more peach washi at the top to sort of tie everything together. But that is everything. I am going to fill this out. I'm using a Tombow Mono drawing pen in a .01 since it is really small, but I am writing directly in the planner. I don't think the B6 would work for me. A traveler's notebook wouldn't work for me if I couldn't write like on the inserts inside the planner. So I usually do write inside the planner. But that is everything. The setup for this TN is linked in the description below. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribed, and definitely check me out on Instagram at mycraftyplans. Bye!